If you own a Jeep JK, you know the struggle. Those stock door nets stretch out, sag, and before long they can't hold a thing without drooping into the door frame. That not only looks messy, but can even get in the way when closing your door. Today, we're checking out the best Jeep Wrangler JK door pocket replacements to keep your ride organized and rugged. And don't forget, all the product links are down below in the description. Starting with number 5, the Sheam door pockets. These rear door metal organizers are tough as nails and way sturdier than the old floppy nets. They give you extra space for essentials like your phone, wallet, flashlight, or even tools. I like that they bring a rugged industrial look that matches the Jeep vibe. Installation is super simple, no drilling needed, and Sheam even backs them up with a 1-year guarantee. So you're covered. Next at number 4, RT-TCZ. These are made of high-quality ABS plastic, so they're lightweight, but still strong enough to resist warping or cracking. They slide right into place without drilling, and the non-slip tray liner keeps your stuff from rattling around. These are designed specifically for Jeep JKs without cup holders, and the best part is they don't mess with your legroom while driving. RT-TCZ has a long history of Jeep accessories, and they offer solid aftercare support too. Number 3 is the Z8 stainless steel door storage box. This one is a serious upgrade because it ditches the typical ABS plastic and uses 304 stainless steel. Corrosion-resistant, heavy-duty, and built for rough rides. Instead of snap-in mounts that can wiggle loose, these install with screws for maximum stability, so even on bumpy trails, your gear stays put. They're great for things like bottled water, sunglasses, or your phone. Definitely built for Jeepers who want durability. At number 2, the MEAUTELE metal door pockets. Made from strong steel, they're resistant to wear and corrosion, and they outlast plastic by a long shot. They also swap out the factory netting and give you a neat, stable place to stash everyday items. Installation uses the same screws as the original netting, so it's quick and secure. MEAUTELE throws in a 1-year satisfaction guarantee, which is always reassuring when you're upgrading your Jeep. And finally, number 1, the CALBEAU metal door storage pockets. Designed specifically for 2007 through 2018 Wranglers, these have a clean carbonized finish that makes them look slick while adding strength. They're screw-mounted for a snug fit and won't shift around like cheaper options. These are the go-to replacement for the saggy net problem. With a solid steel build and smooth finish, CALBEAU not only keeps your Jeep organized, but also adds a cool upgrade to the interior vibe. So there you have it. 5 killer options to replace those useless factory nets and get your Jeep JK more trail-ready and organized. When comparing these, think about durability, ease of installation, material quality, and overall storage space. Check out the links in the description to grab the one that suits your Jeep best. And hey, if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more Jeep gear reviews coming your way.